We are all different, a Twinkle original story.
Twinkle 原創故事，我們不一樣。
I have straight hair. I have wavy hair. I have curly hair. I have afro hair.
我嘅頭髮係直嘅，我嘅頭髮有住大嘅波浪，我嘅頭髮係攣㗎，我嘅頭髮又黑又蓬鬆。
I have light skin. I have dark skin. I have a birthmark. I have freckles.
我嘅皮膚係白嘅，我嘅皮膚係黑嘅，我面上面有個胎記，我面上面有雀斑。
I live with my two dads. I live with my grandpa. I live with my mum. I live with my mum and dad.
我同兩個爸爸一齊住，我同爺爺一齊住，我同媽咪一齊住，我同爸爸同埋媽媽一齊住。
I have a cat. I have a goldfish. I have a tortoise. I have an ant farm.
我有一隻貓，我有一隻金魚，我有一隻烏龜，我有一竇螞蟻。
I have two big brothers. I have no brothers or sisters. I have a twin. I have a little sister.
我有兩個哥哥，我冇任何兄弟姊妹。我有一個孖生家姐，我有一個妹妹。
I speak Portuguese. I speak Bengali. I use sign language. I speak Swahili.
我識講葡萄牙文，我識講孟加拉文，我會用手語，我識講斯華西里語。
I like bananas. I like apples. I like grapes. I like strawberries.
我鍾意香蕉，我鍾意蘋果，我鍾意提子，我鍾意士多啤梨。
I do ballet. I play football. I play basketball. I do gymnastics.
我識跳芭蕾舞，我識踢足球，我識打籃球，我識體操。
I like writing. I like music. I like art. I like maths.
我鍾意寫作，我鍾意音樂，我鍾意藝術，我鍾意數學。
I like green. I like pink. I like rainbow colours. I like black.
我最鍾意綠色，我鍾意粉紅色，我鍾意彩虹色，我鍾意黑色。
I like sunshine. I like rain. I like wind. I like snow.
我鍾意陽光，我鍾意落雨，我鍾意風啊，我就鍾意雪啦。
We are all different. We are all friends.
我哋各有唔同，我哋大家都係朋友。The end.